What's up, YouTube? My name's Jack Armstrong. They call me Jack Daddy. It is fantastic to see you today. We love Jesus, we love our family, and we love the outdoors, and we like to build things. So come along as we build things, come along as we try them out, come along and I'll show you how you can build them too. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Are y'all ready?
Oh yeah!
Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this awesome no spill, no waste chick feeder. So it's small enough that they can't get their whole body in there, and just big enough where they get their head in there and eat some food. They can't get in there to scratch it out, but they'll be able to eat. This is an awesome no waste chick feeder. Now I built one a while back. I'll try to put the link in the description to it, but it was out of the little red tray from Tractor Supply. It only holds so much. But this one is going to be out of a bucket, and we're going to have two spouts on each side where the chicks can stick their head in, but they won't be able to get all the way in there and scratch it out. So I built some of these for my big chickens, and I used them for the chicks, but we had a chick that got in there and got stuck in the pipe. So what I did is I'm going to use smaller pipes, so the little chick head can get in there, but they can't get their whole body in there. So this is what you're going to need to make this. You're going to need two 90-degree elbows. These are 2-inch pieces. You're going to need some JB Weld, some type of putty, epoxy putty. You're going to need something to cut with. That's just going to be to cut the bucket. You're going to need a drill to screw a hole in the bucket. You're going to need something to cut your fittings with. You can use a hacksaw, you can use a chop saw. I'm going to use a portaband because I got it. And finally, you're going to need a bucket. So any kind of bucket. I'm going to use a smaller bucket just because it's for chick feeder, so they're not going to eat a whole lot. So I'm going to show you how to make it today, no waste, out of these few things from the store. The first step is going to be to cut this fitting. And what we're going to do is we're going to lead this side that has the lip, and we're going to cut it straight across right here. Straight across. Second step is to cut a hole in the bucket. So we get the bucket, we're going to cut a round hole. We'll start by drilling a small hole and then cutting the round hole so it'll fit. So the way we're going to do that is to take our bucket and we're going to draw on it where we want this to go. So it's going to sit in there like this. So the main thing to know is that you want this about 1/2 inch or so off of the bottom of the bucket. So where the bottom of the bucket is, you want to come up about 1/2 inch, and you want to see where that's going to put your hole. So you'll see right here, that's going to put our hole about right there will be the bottom of the hole. So then we'll just put this there and draw a circle around it, like so. Now on the next one, we're going to do the exact opposite. So we've got it in line with the handles. That way when you hang it, you know you've got it hanging this way, so the food is level. We're going to put the other one on this side, and we know about how high we want it to be from the last one. So we need it to be about the same. So it would be about right there. And that's where we want to mark it. Now we got it marked. What we're going to do is we're going to take our drill and we're going to drill a hole at the bottom of this because we know the bottom is accurate. And we're going to come up just a hair, just like that, both sides. Come up just a hair. And we're going to take our cutters and we're going to cut on the inside of that line because we drew on the outside of this flange, so we want to cut where this flange won't go all the way through the bucket. So We want that flange to sit on the outside of the bucket. So we're going to cut the inside of that line all the way around. The final step is to use this putty and putty all around these, inside and out, just kind of wedging it in there, and then you let it sit and it'll be done. Now the putty, you just squish it around a lot in your fingers until it gets just right. All the same color is what you want. What I like to do is take it and make like a long snake out of it, and then just work it all the way around that pipe. You'll need the bucket open. Be able to make sure you got them the right angle. You want them sitting down flat. So this one needs to be like that. And then I like to just spit on it and smooth it out. It won't stick to your fingers when you spit, but it don't hurt it for sticking to this plastic. It will allow you to smooth it real good. Make it look really nice. And you know, you could paint it. You could paint the whole bucket. You could put some vinyl stickers on it. It just depends on how much of a chicken nut you are. And that's it.